What if I tell you you can add any overlay as text or images on your videos by simply using Make.com automation? You want to know how? Let's get started. Log in into your Make.com account and then click on Create Scenario. The first thing you have to do is create node and search for Iranol. Once you select, you have to search overlay. Add overlay. There you go. You added it. After that, you have to add your API key. In order to do that, you just go to edenall.com, log in into your account, click on API keys, click on create secret API key, name your API key, click on create key. After that, copy the key, go back, add your key here, and you are sorted. Now, what you want to add as overlay, it depends upon you, because on Iranol you can do a lot of overlays like text or images. So for example, if I go to the documentation here and I scroll down to overlay API, I can see that I can send the URL of the video and then I can select the type as text, margin, live, etc., or I can actually set the type to an image and then pass on the URL. So for the simplicity, we are going to just use a video on my Google Drive. So let's say if I open my drive, and here, as you can see, I have some VO generated videos here. So I'm going to copy this one, share, share. Make sure if you're using Google Drive, you have the link, anyone with the link enabled. Go back to make.com, put the URL here. Perfect. Now for the overlays, we have to add item. Let's say type text, content would be, let's say ash, and then X position, let's say 10, and Y position, let's say 10. Start time 0 second, and then let's say how long is the video. I think it's 8 seconds long, so we're gonna put 8 seconds here. So start with 0 and then end is 8 seconds. There you go. Font size, let's say 75. Font color, let's say white, and scale is 1, and I think that's pretty much it. Save. Once that's done, you would like to add a sleep node, because after the job is created, it will take a little while to process it. So let's say we added a 20-second sleep. Save. And after that, once it's done, you have to add the final node, which is the status node, which is the get job status. Here we have to pass on the job ID, but we cannot do that unless we have run this workflow. So let me run this module first. There you go. So it sent all this information, and as you can see, the status is pending. But the good news is we have the job ID. So we are going to go here, provide the job ID by dragging it here. Save. Now in a real world scenario, it will run through the sleep and then it will go to this node and run it. So I'm going to copy paste the job ID here and check if the status is updated. All right, the status is updated. It's complete. So let's have a look at the results here. I'm going to copy this URL, open it in my browser here. There you go. The text is overlay on the video on the left. So this is how you add the overlay with the help of Iranol API with your Make.com. If you want to add image, or if you have any other workflow, if you need any help, comment below.